Well, today, what we made for you is we have some. First, let me say, when we think of Christmas, we think of fun times with the family. We think of definitely festive holiday, but we also think about how we want to be comfortable in our PJs or just relaxing that day. So why not have some comfort food with a twist?
Huh?
So
A nice twist.
a nice twist. And so what I've done is my mac and cheese, I kind of let it dry out and I put it on a Belgian waffle maker. So we're making macaroni and cheese waffles
Waffles. Yeah.
without the batter of the waffle. But actually, you could take your mac and cheese recipe if you have one. Mine's is, some elbow pastas that I cooked al dente. I added some evaporated milk, some carnation milk, a little bit of heavy cream, and I also added some pepper jack, as well as some cheddar cheese, some sharp cheddar actually, and a little bit of Parmesan. And that's what I did with mine. And of course, salt and pepper to taste. And I like the pepper jack because it kind of gives it more of a flavor. Not even the spiciness, because it doesn't taste spicy to me at all. But I also like to see the beautiful colors in it. That red and that green, wannabe pepper. So I think it was aesthetically pleasing to the eyes for the right time, the holidays, Christmas, but you can have it anytime. And Ian just had some chicken wings, and who doesn't love chicken wings?
Oh,
That
yeah.
he just put like a barbecue seasoning on, that you can get from your grocery store aisle, some barbecue seasoning, nothing special on it. And he's just been letting that sit for a couple of hours marinating. And I want to show you what our waffles that we've done look like. We're just waiting for it to cool down so we can remove it. But this is our mac and cheese waffle. And here's our other one. And we have to wait for it to cool down so it doesn't fall apart. So once it's cooled down and we plate it with the wings, we'll show you how you can have a delectable, comfort, easy Christmas. And who doesn't love waffles? And who doesn't love mac and cheese? Marry the two together, you get mac and cheese waffles. And of course, who doesn't love chicken wings? I think the world loves chicken wings unless you don't eat meat. So we're going to cook up the wings and come back and show you what it's like plated. So here we are, comfort food at its best. We have our chicken wings, and who doesn't love chicken wings, like I said, and we have our mac and cheese waffles. And all of this is over here is our garnish. Is some crispy bell peppers, which is the red, trying to stay in the theme of Christmas, and crispy jalapeno, which is the green. Ian, no jalapeno for you, which is your decoration.
Yes.
But you can have the red ones.
All right.
And we have to taste this. This is just simply beautiful.
Bon appetit.
Bon appetit.
Wow. It's just simply incredible. Mm.
Absolutely delicious.
Intense. Really intense.
Mac and cheese
Waffle.
made waffle style. You have the little crunch from the cheese being on top of it. And who doesn't like a little crunchy anyway when you get the corners from your mac and cheese in a baking tray.
I love chicken wings too, Mama.
And we gotta try the chicken wings.
I like chicken wings. Mm. Moist. Delicious.
Delicious.
Mm.
Your perfect comfort food. Why not do it for Christmas? Super easy, quick. You spend time with your family. You're putting your wings in your air fryer. You're taking your waffle maker out. And you're making your mac and cheese recipe. And now you got yourself some mac and cheese waffles. Please don't forget, click the like button. That shows us that you're supporting us, that you like us and you like what we're doing. Hit the notification button by subscribing, and you'll get yourself
On teams about the dessert,
another
crazy
when we put up
dinners.
a video.
Be part of the family. Just come and be part of
Like
the family.
Ian said.
What?
Yeah, be part of our family.
Be part of the family.
Thank you. We love you. Have a wonderful Christmas and a happy
Merry
New Year.
Christmas. Take care.
Bye.
Bye-bye now.